Today we'll be painting a lamp in the park, if you think of that, and with the autumn trees in the background. So, but before that, actually, the lamp can be drawn in perspective with different ways. But I have a perspective course where I've also shown how to draw this particular, because this lamp is actually stuck on a pole, but there are lamps which are hanging. So then it depends on your eye level how to draw that particular lamp. So that is actually in one of my perspective courses, which is of almost around 10 hours. So if you want, you can go and check it out. The link is in the description below. So let's get started with the painting. Before that, if you happen to enjoy this video, please take a moment to give it a like and subscribe. Also turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So before I start talking about this painting will be available on my website. uh, go and check it out. That will have all the instructions, layers, how I've applied, brushes that I've used, paints I've used, although some of the description is actually in the description below, and it's very detailed. And you have to keep in mind that this painting actually has taken more than an hour, 1.5 hours, but you have to count in terms of the drying time as well, because there are 3, 4, 5 or 6 layers I've applied one by one. And then I've used only brushes. The same concept, same thing, that the foliage behind, you might have even got that by using sponge, but I didn't want to do that. I've used flat brushes. Like I also said that about the lamp, actually it's with the perspective. So the drawing which I've done here is more some lines are perspective lines. Apart from that, it's front facing, but from different angle, it's not that easy just by not understanding perspective, mainly this kind of lamp. So that's one thing. Apart from that, everything else is about brush strokes. And then the branches I've drawn again in 2 or 3 layers with different contrast, and then making sure that the color is actually darker every time. And then apart from all of that, the getting that particular bright shining light out of the lamp was the main thing. So if you're following along, you should be able to paint this and try to understand the techniques that I've used. Or otherwise, if you're watching this for the sake of enjoy your time, and I'll see you in some other video.